BC Ferries welcomes you aboard.
That the brakes are gonna go my way.
Enjoy the many services available on this vessel. These include a cafeteria featuring white spot triple O's along with favorites from the BC Ferries menu, snack bar, elevators, telephone, a play area for children, and coin-operated massage chairs.
Take a trip on a wide open dream. Live love and life inside. Hold on to
Please do not remain on the vehicle.
the best trip of your life. Looking like the SCG has got full attendance. We get there early, we won't have to stand in line. The clock outside reads 28 degrees Celsius. Little sticky, but it still feels fine. The hop up before you bring the chopper to the fans, and the vendor selling tunes, so walk up to the stands. All right to sing the national song, a moment of pride before you know when it's gone. Take a trip on a wide open dream. Live love and life inside. Hold on to that feeling you get. It's the best trip of your life.
Because ship movement can sometimes cause you to lose balance, always use handrails when taking the stairs from one deck to another.
Feel the sea breeze in the air. Can you hear all the birds singing? Feel the wind in your hair.
Also plan to visit our gift shop, which carries giftware, souvenirs, BC books, magazines, and candy.
I'm ready for a brand new day. There's nothing really better than to take it for a ride. I love that you're holding inside. Take a trip on a wide open dream. Live love and life inside. Hold on to that feeling you get. 'Cause it's the best.
Please do not remain on the vehicle.
Take a trip on a wide open dream.
If you're having trouble finding anything, just ask one of our crew members for help.
Hold on to that feeling you get. It's the best trip of your life. Of your
A reminder, all pets must be kept on the vehicle deck.